Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Google Home to Smart TV. Now, by linking your Google Home device to your Smart TV, you can control your TV using voice commands. Now, this integration allows you to turn your TV on or off, adjust the volume, change channels, and even play specific content from supported streaming services. So before we dive in, let's make sure everything is set up for a smooth connection. Number one, check your TV compatibility. Ensure your smart TV has built-in Chromecast or is connected to a Chromecast device. Alternatively, if your TV supports Google Assistant or works with Google, it is compatible. Now, also ensure your smartphone, Google Home device, and smart TV are all connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure your Google Home app and Smart TV firmware are up to date. Now let's go ahead and link your Smart TV to the Google Home app. On the Google Home app on your smartphone, go ahead and click on Devices. And once you click on Devices, click on the plus icon, Add Devices, and then go ahead and choose a device to add a device to your home. Okay, so you're adding a Smart TV, so you would need to select Google Nest or Partner Services. So go ahead and click on this and you'll be asked to choose a home. You'll be asked to choose a home to set up your location, and after setting up your location, it's going to take you to the next window where you'll finally be asked, or where Google Home will scan for nearby devices. So right here, go ahead and click on Chromecast or Google TV, something like that. So go ahead and click on this, and once you click on that, so you can click on Google Chromecast or Google TV and plug in your device to connect that. But if that doesn't work, you can just go the way back, and once you click Add Device, click Works with Google Home. Once you click on Works with Google, then go ahead and search for your TV brand and follow the linking process. So you have to enable this Google app, and once you click on Enable, it's going to take you to the settings where you cannot enable the Google app. Then just follow the prompt to connect your TV. So once you're done, you can now organize your devices. Organizing your devices makes voice commands more intuitive. So in the Google Home app, go ahead and tap on your device or your TV device once it is connected from the home page. Then once you tap on the TV device, tap the settings icon, then select room and choose the appropriate room where your TV is located. Then you can now put it to test. So you can try a couple of voice commands with your Google Home device, like, hey Google, turn on the TV. Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix. Hey Google, turn up volume, stuff like that, which is help. So some commands may require linking your streaming service account in the Google Home app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.